Hey.
Hey, I thought those were pants.
What else is in there?
I thought pants were
Brennan.
Oh, that's a
this way.
stylish new hat.
Scrabble stuffed puzzle erasers. Scribble stuffed puzzle erasers.
Brennan, come here.
Fish. Rotten. I think that.
Sushi.
And what's this? Lego Batman.
You just stay out here, buddy.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, and he's also flying.
All right.
Anything
What do you
else
say to
talk
people,
about?
Alex?
Thank you. Scribble stuff, puzzle erasers, and check it all out. Pizza, hamburger, sandwich, ice cream. Ooh, Coca-Cola, French fries, hot dogs, and scribble stuff, puzzle erasers. Ooh, check it all out. The sweets.
Right.
That's it. That's all it. Hey, I found something else in here, guys.
What is it?
What?
A bag.
Okay.
A hat
An
instead.
Angry Bird hat.
Put them in here a minute.
Billy Goose.
And so you can get that one from Carter and Brennan.
Give me my present. Ooh,
Okay.
it's big.
That sounds silly, Carter.
Ah, I'm sure he fall over.
Oh my god.
Wow.
No wonder they needed such a big bag. Hey, it's a Mario Kart swimming pool.
No, it's a beach sheet.
Beach sheet.
Beach sheet. Take it and put it on the grass or on the sand or on the cement, wherever.
Wow.
Play.
Pretty cool. What do you
Wait,
say?
Carter, I know what. This transformer.
Hey, there's something else in there, dude.
I know.
Now we gotta make a special trip out to California to see how good it works.
Get out.
Carefully, carefully.